Look, we weren't friends, but I saw you every day. Played ball a couple times, but you were just another face. I would see you in the halls, we would go our separate ways. I never understood the saying, now he's in a better place. Look, honestly, you seem to be living nice. Popular jock type, who would always give advice. The ladies' man on campus, women called you Mr. Right. Never even said a word to each other, we had different lives. Look, I was gripping mics, you was gripping basketballs. We even did well in school, every test you passed them all. Running for president too, had your face on half the walls. Popularity through the roof, you seem to have it all. Look, I guess it's true, me and you were polar opposites. Never gave a shit about school, that's just preposterous. You on the other hand probably could've got a scholarship. Everything happens for a reason, but boy, I'm not convinced.
I'm alive, but I'm barely breathing. What's the reason?
What's the reason?
I was up and now I'm
Start contact, close the